Welcome back to the vlog. It is currently almost 90 degrees here in Wisconsin. I am absolutely loving it. I love the heat. My goal is to get out as much as possible, or at least during my lunch breaks, so that I can tan. Because I need to get my tan on for our summer wedding. It is so crazy that the wedding is coming up in 3 months. It's coming so fast. We haven't posted in a while, so some of you may not know, but Kashe and I did get engaged. We did just get engaged this past November. And since we've already been together for like 6 years now, we just decided not to wait. So, just quick turnaround time. We're literally getting married like 9 months later. So it's been a lot, to say the least, of planning a wedding. I'm sure some of you who have already planned a wedding, you know that it can be just a lot of things that you didn't expect. I did not expect there to be so much drama, honestly. Something just bit my toe. Another fun update, Kashe got a new truck. To begin with, we didn't tell anybody because the main reason that we bought the truck is something we aren't telling anyone about. We're still keeping that a secret. But the other reason we bought it is because we do need a new truck to road trip in, and we do so much road tripping in the summertime. And Kashe's old truck is now his work truck, so we just needed another truck that we could pull things with and take on long road trips. So I did take some videos when we bought it at the dealership a couple months ago. I'll show you guys. This is it. I love it. It's beautiful.
Fairly white.
I like the white. And it's got tan leather seats.
Yeah.
This is her. Yeah, let's do it from the front. We did it. She's ours. Here he goes. He's driving it off the lot. Whew, that's a tight fit. You're so good. Sexy beast. Oh, okay. It's locked. Where the heck is the... We are finally headed out for a date night. Yeah. This is our very casual fit for date night. I'm wearing a sweatshirt from the Union. Shout out to the newest member. Some of you think I'm probably crazy for wearing a sweatshirt in the summer, but I'm literally always cold. And then my shorts are from Madewell. My necklace is from Monica Rich. Glasses are Nike. This is a Q fitness ring from Amazon. I freaking love this thing. It's the best dupe of the Oura ring. I'll try and link it down below for you guys. And then this ring's from my man. And then of course, shoes are Birkenstock. What do you have on?
T-shirt.
Where's your t-shirt from? This is from San Diego, isn't it? West Side Gun Club. Although, I think they rebranded and have a new name now.
Yeah.
But you got jeans. Where your jeans are? Wrangler. Shout out. The best jeans for boots. Where are your boots from? Show them all. Let's see. Oh, okay. You got a loophole hat on. sunglasses from Amazon. Ooh, you got a... Where's your watch from? Let's see it. Bring it up here. Show them. Oh, look at that sexy watch. Where is it from? How do you say that? Seiko? Yeah, that's the fit. You're so handsome. I love you. We used to go out on date nights every Friday, but we haven't been out for a while because we've been trying to save money for the wedding. We are taking out the truck tonight for a special occasion.
Baby, no flies. Can't ride with me, you ain't doing no slides. I bow with the pole trying to get nobody.
Cash surprised me and picked the place for dinner. He took us to Green's Courthouse. It's one of my favorite. Yeah. You gotta pull it. You want to sit at the bar? Oh, everything's reserved. Do the Sunday sour, whatever the big size is.
The big size?
Yeah. Thank you. Spilling. Normally they have so many sours and ciders to try, but they didn't really have any today.
Really?
I tried this one though, the Sunday cider. It's really good. Should we get an appetizer?
Yeah.
I mean, the deep fried pickles sound good to me.
You can get them.
I know you don't like that though.
You can get them. I'd try probably a couple of them.
Her cheese curds aren't the greatest. You would eat deep fried pickles?
Go try a couple.
Should we try some?
Yeah.
Cheers. These look so good, actually. Like, it looks like they put like red pepper flakes on them or something. I think they're really good. That sauce is really good. They definitely make that sauce here.
Good.
Oh, I don't know what else to get. Their pizzas are good. Typically always go with that. I might get the special though. They have 4 specials. The barbecue chicken mac and cheese sounds good. I don't know. I went with their, I think it was Better Than Bees salad. I forget exactly what it's called. And I substituted the chicken for the shrimp. And then Cash got a build your own burger. And they forgot to put the tater tots and the mayo on it. So it's literally a build your own burger, huh? Do you like the mayo? Yeah. First bite. That's quite the burger. What did you all put on it? Mac and cheese, tater tots, onions. What are your thoughts? Pretty good? Mine came with this flour on it. Do you think it's edible? I don't know. I'm scared. I don't think I want to try and eat it. But it came with their house-made orange blossom vinaigrette. So let's see if that's it. That must be why the flour's on it. The dressing is very, like, florally. It tastes like a flower. It's okay. The shrimp is good. Not gonna lie though. These ciders got me feeling some type of way. Feeling a little tipsy. Oh my gosh, my ears can breathe. It was so loud.
I was.
I'm gonna make a quick stop at Walmart to get a few things, but mostly to get a baby book. We're going to a baby shower tomorrow, and their request was instead of getting a card to get a book, and I was hard pressed on what book to get because I have a lot of favorite kids books, but the one book that came to mind that was one of my favorites that was, I think it's a baby book, is this one, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. You guys remember this? I remember reading this in kindergarten, and we actually had a video, a VHS cassette that we would watch. That was like a sing-along of the book. This is one of my favorites. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? Right? You guys remember that? I'm the only one. But cool, we got the book secured. I don't know where Cash went. Secured. Last stop of date night is our city's street dance. We've been trying to go the past couple years because all the proceeds that are made go to the fire department who hosts the street dance. And in my opinion, our city has the best 4th of July fireworks that I've ever really seen in my life. And a lot of the money that's made during the street dance goes to fund the fireworks. So thank you. Thank you. Babe? Where are you? Where are you? Are you peeing?
Yeah.
There's a bathroom like 100 feet away.
What the dog you
I will. Thank you for an amazing day night.
Good.
Can you believe we're gonna be married soon?
No.
Oh shit.